you this Tilda stand that I've made, pocket stand, and it's like an easel, and I want to show you the side. It's like this. I've made a tutorial in a previous video, so you can, if you want to make it, follow the tutorial. Okay, I'm going to show you what I put inside. It's a little bit of Tilda goodie bag. This is vellum paper on Tilda paper, and I use some sticker under here to make it like an embellishment my friend can use on a project. This I made before. It's card candy she can use, and I put on a topper, and it's a Marianne design topper. This one is a little house again. Again with a topper of Tilda paper, and I put a pom-pom that I've made on there. These are toppers you can use on projects, on packaging. It's all Tilda Winter Memories. And this one is another card candy she can use. I already made that. And I put a unicorn pen in there. And this is how my Tilda pocket stand is looking like. I put here on the Hello Lovely, and made a little flower cluster. I used the tiny flowers that I got from Marilyn, so thank you, Marilyn. And this one I got from Michelle, so thank you, Michelle. And these are dies from my stash. The Winter Memories paper, and the beautiful angel is ephemera from the paper. I used my doily punch on the bottom, and I made a cluster with all flowers and stickled it up. And I put a blingy butterfly on there. It looks like this. So you probably can make the same pocket on the back side to get it more sturdy, and to put more things in there. But I left it like this, so you can tuck all the things in here. Yep, like the pom-pom and the card candy. I will tuck it in later very carefully. So that's it. You can make nice gifts for people, and let's do this one in there. Okay, so if you have questions, just let me know. I put a link to the tutorial in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.